नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सौरभ सर क्लासेस में। आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड से कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट स्कोरिंग पोर्शन ऑल्सो। क्योंकि इसमें जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वो बेसिकली बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स के ऊपर आते हैं, जो कि क्लास 6 से क्लास 10 की मैथमेटिकल नॉलेज से ही आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो। So people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks in this portion. ओके, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला प्रॉब्लम देख लेते हैं। पहला प्रॉब्लम में क्या पूछा गया है देख लेते हैं। A fruit seller makes a profit of 20% by selling mangoes at a certain price. If he charges one more for each mango, he can make a profit of 40%. Find the selling price of a mango in the first case. So the solution of the 70th question. So first of all, we assume that the cost price is X rupees. Now by the question, first of all, the food seller profit is 20%. In the first case, the profit is 20%. Therefore, it reduces to 20x divided by 100, which is equals to selling price minus cost price, and cost price here is X. So we have 20x divided by 100 is equals to selling price minus X, which is nothing but X by 5 plus X is equals to selling price. So 6x by 5 is equals to the selling price. Okay. Now the selling price increases to 1 rupees. So now our selling price is SP dashed, and the profit increases to 40%. So we can say that 40x divided by 100 is equals to selling price minus cost price. The cost price is nothing but X. So we have 2x by 5 plus X is equals to SP plus 1, and it can be written as 7x by 5 minus X is equals to SP. So 2x by 5 is equals to SP. Or we can write it in this way also. Suppose this reduces to 7x by 5, and we already have the SP as 6x by 5, which is 6x by 5 plus 1. Therefore we have x by 5 is equals to 1, hence x is equals to 5. So the cost price is 5 rupees. Cost price is 5 rupees. Okay, but we need to find the selling price in the first case. Now the selling price in the first case is 6x by 5, hence the selling price in first case is 6 into 5 by 5, which is nothing but 6 rupees. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, now let's see the next question. We need to find the greatest among these 4 given roots. Okay, So first of all we have root 8, then root over this is nothing but 13 to the power 1 by 4, and again we have 16 to the power 1 by 5, and lastly we have 41 to the power 1 by 10. The LCM of the roots is LCM of 2, 4, 5 and 10, which is nothing but 20. Okay, so the LCM is 20. Now these terms can also be written as 8 to the power 1 by 2, which can be written as 2 by 20. 13 to the power 1 by 4 can be written as 13 to the power 5 by 20. 16 to the power 1 by 5 can be written as 16 to the power 4 by 20. And lastly 41 to the power 1 by 10 can be written as 41 to the power 2 by 20. Sorry, here we have 10 by 20. So if we write in this way, so we get a proper visualization that what is going on basically. So we just write these given roots in this way, like a root of 1 by 20. So now we can make a decision that among these four numbers, 8 to the power 10, 13 to the power 5, 16 to the power 4 and 41 to the power 41 square, the highest one is 8 to the power 10. Therefore the greatest among the number is root over 8. So D is the correct answer. So we have solved two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, want to know more about the tricks to solve this question in a quick way, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these two numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sortofsysclasses.com. Thank you very much.